A groundbreaking discovery by Harvard researchers suggests that lithium, a metal typically associated with mental health treatments, could potentially revolutionize the approach to Alzheimer's disease. https://www.telegraph.co.uk Health Fitness Conditions Dementia Alzheimer's Questions Answered. This revelation, which could redefine our understanding of Alzheimer's, has sparked a whirlwind of excitement and controversy in the medical community. But here's where it gets controversial. Could a metal, often linked to mood stabilizers, hold the key to combating a neurodegenerative disorder? In a first-of-its-kind study, scientists at Harvard have uncovered that individuals suffering from Alzheimer's exhibit significantly lower levels of lithium in their brains. https://www.telegraph.co.uk News Health 859489 Lithium, a new weapon in the fight against Parkinson's. .html. This finding challenges the conventional wisdom and opens up new avenues for research. The study further reveals that lithium is essential for maintaining normal brain function, a fact that was previously unknown. Intriguingly, when mice with Alzheimer's were administered a novel form of lithium, the results were nothing short of remarkable. The symptoms of the disease, even in its advanced stages, were reversed. This breakthrough has led researchers to consider lithium as a potential treatment for Alzheimer's in humans, with clinical trials on the horizon. The study's authors write, "Our findings shed light on the physiological effects of endogenous lithium in the brain, and suggest that disruptions in lithium homeostasis may be an early indicator in the development of Alzheimer's disease." They propose that lithium supplementation with amyloid-evading salts could be a promising preventive and therapeutic strategy for Alzheimer's disease. Despite its long-standing use in treating mental health conditions like bipolar disorder and schizophrenia, the role of lithium in the body has remained somewhat of a mystery. However, this Harvard study has shed new light on its potential benefits in neurological disorders. The research involved a comprehensive analysis of the brains of deceased donors at various stages of Alzheimer's disease, as well as those without the disease. Among 27 metals examined, lithium was the only one found to be consistently depleted in Alzheimer's cases. Further experiments on human and mouse brain samples revealed that amyloid plaques, the protein associated with Alzheimer's, have a unique effect on lithium. In healthy brains, lithium, which carries a positive charge, remains within cells, contributing to their normal function. However, in brains affected by amyloid plaques, which are negatively charged, lithium is attracted to these plaques and is expelled from the cells. This depletion triggers an abnormal response from the brain's immune defense cells, leading to inflammation and a reduced ability to break down and clear out toxic amyloid, which ultimately suffocates neurons and leads to cognitive decline. Previous investigations into lithium as a treatment for Alzheimer's have been met with limited success, as existing lithium carbonate medications were found to be ineffective and associated with significant side effects. The Harvard team sought lithium compounds that are less positively charged and therefore less likely to be attracted to amyloid plaques. They identified lithium orotate as the ideal compound, which in mouse studies not only reversed the course of the disease, but also restored memory. When administered in small doses to mimic natural lithium levels, lithium orotate was found to almost completely prevent amyloid from settling in the brain. In mice with severe Alzheimer's, the treatment was highly effective at reducing amyloid deposition and tau accumulation. It also almost completely reversed memory loss, a feat that existing lithium medications could not achieve. Additionally, the compound improved learning and spatial memory in older mice with severe amyloid buildup. While the researchers are cautious about drawing conclusions for human applications based on rodent experiments, they believe that this new lithium medicine could be a promising avenue for future drug studies. Current Alzheimer's treatments, such as donanemab and lecanemab, do not improve patients' conditions, but merely slow down disease progression. often at a high cost and with the risk of serious side effects like brain bleeds and swelling. Neither of these drugs was approved by the National Institute for Health and Care Excellence for use on the NHS. Despite being deemed effective and safe by the Medicines and Healthcare Products Regulatory Agency, the study's results are very encouraging. According to lead author Prof. Bruce Yankner, a professor of genetics and neurology at Harvard. What impresses me the most about lithium is the widespread effect it has on the various manifestations of Alzheimer's. I really have not seen anything quite like it in all my years of working on this disease. Published in Nature, the study has been met with enthusiasm from the scientific community. In an accompanying opinion piece, Prof. Ashley Bush from the University of Melbourne, who was not involved in the research, notes that the Harvard team's work exposes a possible contributor to Alzheimer's disease and a potential non-conventional therapeutic target. This could also lead to improvements in how lithium is used to treat mental health conditions, particularly in older patients. Apart from the implications for treating Alzheimer's disease, the data invite a re-evaluation of lithium salt variants as treatments for older adults with bipolar disorder, she writes. This discovery not only offers hope for Alzheimer's patients, but also challenges us to reconsider our understanding of the role of metals in neurological health. What do you think about the potential of lithium in treating Alzheimer's? Share your thoughts in the comments below.